I'm an addict for sneakers.
Here we go with a discussion video on the Air Jordan 4 collaboration with Levi's. This is pretty exciting stuff right here, in my opinion, so I definitely wanted to speak about it. Happy Friday, everyone. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new, and there's a little button next to the subscribe button, this tiny bell. Hit the little bell, lets YouTube know it's okay to notify you as soon as I upload a new video so you don't miss out on future content. So this Air Jordan 4 will release on January 17th, and it will be a limited edition shoe. There's a list of stores. I will post that on my blog, thesneakeraddict.com. There will be a link in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you're looking for these shoes. Plus, on release day, I'll be posting information, of course, on my Twitter at DJ Delz to try to help you guys out also. I love how they freaked it on these with the back part of the jean, how they put it on the actual tongue of the shoe with the sizing like you would see on a pair of jeans. This is executed with perfection, in my opinion. I love them. There's nothing more, nothing less to say. But, you know, I've had people that's been asking me a lot lately, how do I feel about them? So I figured to do a quick video and let you guys know right now. I love them. I hope that I can get myself a pair. Great work, Jordan brand. Great work, Levi's. And leave your thoughts. Leave your comments. I love reading them. Let me know how you feel about them, hot or not. Let me know what you love about them. Let me know what you hate about them. And thank you for tuning in to today's episode. Much love out there. Don't forget, we got the Sneaker Addict t-shirts. They are linked in the description box below. Support the channel. Rock the Sneaker Addict t-shirt if you're a sneaker addict and you love these kicks. That's what it's all about. Everyone have a great day. Blessed weekend. And we out.